Well, here's our 2006 John Deere 320 skid steer. And what our problem is we have an oil leak. Kind of see it. We rented a tree spade last year, used it and got the oil. It didn't get it overheated, but we certainly brought it up to temperature and thermal cycled it a couple times, and one of the fittings has loosened up. So we're going to lift the cab up and we're going to have to remove a bunch of parts to get to this fitting. Alright, I'm going to show you the inside here. We load a lot of sawdust and mulch, and so even though we have a cab, we still get lots of sawdust in the inside. But down here, this is going to be upside down for you. Under there somewhere, it's leaking. So start removing stuff. I got a couple of covers off, and we got quite a mess. It's been leaking for a while, just progressively getting worse. I knew which one was leaking earlier, but now I've forgotten. So we'll have to put the cab back down, roll it outside, and power wash the inside here, and bring it back in and start working on it. Well, I got it outside. It's a little bit windy, so you're just going to have to put up with the wind noise. But I got the foot pads off, the bottom, and then the engine cover. Probably can't see real well, but a lot of oily gunk. That's yucky. Well, here we are in the belly of the beast. I had to remove this. Oh, can't look at the lens. There you go. I had to remove this line to get the wrench in. What we're going for is this little fitting down there. Problem is, there's a solenoid right next to it, and I was able to give it a part of a turn, but I don't know if it's enough to stop the leak. It seems pretty tight, but who knows. But a lot of disassembly. Had to release these controls. Pull this panel up. Had to remove this panel here to get a bolt out, so this panel here would come out. Got a big old rat nest in there. I don't know if you can see that. It's just debris that falls down by the boom arm. I don't know, kind of a funky design. It doesn't have a hole, but it holds junk. It doesn't leak out though. So anyway, I'm going to try to reassemble some of it and start it and see if it leaks or not. We'll go from there. Well, I got it reassembled, well, some of it, about half of it, and pulled it ahead, ran the loader up and down, cycled the hydraulics, and now we're just going to wait for the water to evaporate, and we'll see if there's any oil coming out.